Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about work location. For work location, you have to do the settings which will identify your user's actual location. For that, come up to the settings from the side menu. Under the organization and department, click on work location. Here, you can set the specific IP address as a work location. When the employee logs in from these defined IP addresses, the system will automatically detect and display the work location of the employee. For that, you can click on Add New Location. You can mention the name of the location and you can put the IP here and you can click on Save. Once this is saved, it is going to show like this. You can put the multiple IPs with respect to a specific location. Once this is added, the reflection of this can be seen on the dashboard. Click on the dashboard, scroll down a bit, refresh, and you see that the member location is coming up. This is the graph showing that the total number of present in the Noida office are 104 and the people who are working as remote present day is 71. So this is the reflection of the IPs that you are putting in the work locations. Thank you.